Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about synthesis and reactions of 7-membered heterocyclic compounds, especially azepine. My friends, replacement of the sp3 hybridized carbon atom in cycloheptatriene by nitrogen leads to an azacycloheptatriene known as azepenes. You can see here the structure of azepenes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-member ring. These are class of nitrogen containing 7-member heterocycles with molecular formula C6H5N. Azepine is planar and cyclic with 8 pi electrons. Hence, they obey 4n pi electron systems. Therefore, azepine is anti-aromatic compounds. 4n pi electron systems. Now, due to instability in planar form and to gain stability, azepine exists in non-planar conformations, chair and boat. Hence, azepine is non-aromatic compound. This is the boat conformation, this is chair conformations. Now, azepine exhibit valence tautomerism and 4 tautomeric forms are possible. So, 1H azepine, 2H azepine, 3H azepenes and 4H azepenes. So, azepine exhibits 4 tautomerisms. Now, 2, 3 and 4H azepenes, the lone pair out of conjugations, removing the destabilizing contributions. The relative stability 3 greater than 4 correspond to torsional difference in both conformations, and conjugated enamines offer greater stabilization than conjugated imines. So, the stability of 1H azepine is enhanced by electron withdrawing substituents at one position. So, order of stability is 3H greater than 4H greater than 2H greater than 1H. So, 1H azepine, 3H azepine and 4H azepine. Now, synthesis. Nitrene insertions. The most frequently used synthesis method for azepine is the insertion of a stabilized singlet nitrene into benzene ring by a concerted cycloadditions mechanism. Give 1 azanorcardiene which change to azepenes. You can see here azocardiene and forming azopine. So, phenylazide undergo thermal or photolytic decomposition to yield nitrene. This nitrene react with arenes to afford azanorcardiene which rearrange to give stable azepenes. You can see the structures, nitrene, then cyclizations, then reopening the ring, and then the formation of azepine. Nitrobenzenes, nitrosobenzenes undergo deoxygenations in presence of tributyl phosphine to yield nitrene. This nitrene react with arenes to afford azanorcardiene which rearrange to give stable azepenes. You can see here. Starting from nitrobenzenes, tributyl phosphine, nitroso compound, again triphenylphosphine, then nitrene, then cyclizations, then ring opening, and then formation of azepine. From heterocycles, 2H aziridine react with cyclopentadienes in 4+2 cycloaddition reaction to give polysubstituted 3H azepenes by loss of carbon monoxide. So, this is the formations of azepine. Pyrrole react with acetylene dicarboxylate in 4+2 cycloaddition reaction, adduct which undergo photophysical 2+2 addition to give azaquadricyclanes finally leads to formation of 4,5 disubstituted 1H acipins. Now friend, reactions, aromatizations. Heating of 2-methyl derivative of acipins at 200 degrees Celsius converted to aromatic urethane via aziridino-benzene valence tautomerisms. You can see here the formation of 6-member ring, 7 to 6, and then this is the formation of 6-member. Pericyclic reactions, non-planar poly in nature of acipin allow them to take part in the wide variety of intra and intermolecular pericyclic process. Irradiation of 2-methyl 1H acipin selectively gives a 4,7 ring closure products. So irradiation of 3-methyl 1H acipin gives 2,4 member product in 1:1 ratio. So cycloaddition reaction. Acipin can participate in cycloaddition reaction as 2-pi, 4-pi, 6-pi component. Cycloaddition reaction of N-substituted acipin with various dinophiles have been studied. Azopine undergo 4+2 Diels-Alder reactions with dinophile at carbon 2 and 5 positions. So this is the 2+2, 6+2, 4+2, 2+2 and 6+6. Reaction with metal carbonyl complex. Tricarbonyl chromium molybdenum and tungstens complexes of acipin 1-carboxylate have been prepared by treating acipins 1-carboxylate with metal carbonyl tris acetonitrile complex in THF. This is the reactions of acipin. So my friends, what is the uses? The 7-member lactam, caprolactam or hexahydroazepine 2,1 has been isolated from natural source, has biological properties such as growth inhibiting activity and allelopathy. The most relevant use is an intermediate in the synthesis of nylon 6 through polymerization process. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.